If you are going to buy the Apple Watch Ultra 2, I don't think you are doing it because you want the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Chances are you want the Apple Watch Ultra, and the second generation version Apple just unveiled is simply the model that will be on shelves. That's to say, there aren't very many upgrades between the Apple Watch Ultra and Apple Watch Ultra 2. That's certainly not enough to make someone who has the original upgrade to the new one. Despite the Ultra's bigger, brighter display, new complication-packed watch face, and the introduction of a performance-boosting chip, the Apple Watch Series 9 is instead the most exciting Apple Watch available this year. So, for the biggest display and longest battery life possible, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 still has plenty to offer and could hook those holdouts. In addition to the processor's enhancements, it gets a fresh ultra-wide band chip and proudly transitions from virgin titanium to a 95% recycled titanium frame. Like the Apple Watch Series 9, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is among Apple's debut offerings of carbon neutral certified devices too. As someone who used the Apple Watch Ultra for the larger part of the last year, I can't say I gravitate to the rugged watch as much as I did the first time around, but I went hands-on with it to get a taste of the key changes. Here's what you need to know. You can pre-order the Apple Watch Ultra 2 now with the full availability starting September 22. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 maintains the same $799 which is double the starting price of the Apple Watch Series 9 $399. I will admit I was worried the titanium induced price hike for the iPhone 15 Pro could hit the Apple Watch Ultra, but for $799 you get your choice of ultra specific band, a braided charging cable and cellular support. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 is overall a modest improvement over the original. I wouldn't be convinced as an Apple Watch Ultra user to change up for the new version, but it's definitely a welcome pick up for a first-time Ultra owner. That said, we'll need to conduct a full review to see whether the upgrades make a difference. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.